Introducing Liquid Silver. It's our latest addition to the Xiaomi 15 lineup. Now, Liquid Silver is so much more than just how it looks. How it was built is as impressive. A special heat molding process was used to create the silver 3D wave texture that you see on screen. It's an incredibly difficult process, especially in order to make the look this refined and durable. While aluminum was used for the frame material, which is also significantly lighter than stainless steel. Liquid silver is the next step in smartphone design. Next, let's talk display. Xiaomi 15 is going to integrate ultra-thin bezels on an ultra-compact device. On a 6.36-inch display, the top and the side bezels are all 1.38 millimeters. And for the first time on a Xiaomi device, the bottom bezel is also 1.38 millimeters, creating uniform size bezels across